Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that could really enhance your home automation experience, the Aqara Zigbee door and window sensor. We discovered this nifty little device online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Aqara Zigbee door and window sensor is a wireless contact sensor designed to help you monitor the status of your doors and windows. It's a compact device that works in tandem with an Aqara Hub, connecting via Zigbee technology to provide you with real-time notifications and automation capabilities. If you're looking to step up your home security or simply want to keep an eye on your home environment, this could be a great solution. One of the standout features of the Aqara sensor is its ability to detect unauthorized entry. Whenever a door or window is opened unexpectedly, the sensor sends an alert right to your smartphone, while also triggering the local alarm on the Aqara Hub. This dual-layer security system ensures that you're always aware of what's happening in your home, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. In terms of installation, the sensor is impressively versatile. It can be used on various types of doors and windows, as well as drawers and cabinets, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The sensor can tolerate a gap of up to 0.86 inches, which allows for a sturdy connection and makes it easier to install on different fixtures. Just ensure that the surface is flat and adhesive to get the best results. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The Aqara door and window sensor works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and IFTTT, enabling hands-free voice control. This means you can simply ask your smart assistant whether your door is open or closed without having to check physically. For families with children, this feature can be especially useful. You can easily monitor your kids' rooms or any other space in your home with just your voice. In terms of practical use cases, imagine being able to check if your front door is secure without getting up from your couch. Or perhaps you want to make sure that your children aren't sneaking out of the house. The sensor can notify you the moment a window is opened, allowing you to act quickly if necessary. Additionally, it can be programmed to trigger other Aqara devices based on the door or window status, creating a more interconnected smart home environment. Who is this product suitable for? If you're a tech-savvy individual looking to enhance your home security or a parent wanting to keep an eye on your children, the Aqara Zigbee door and window sensor is a fantastic choice. It's also perfect for anyone who already has an Aqara Hub and wants to expand their smart home ecosystem. Remember, the Aqara door and window sensor does require an Aqara Hub to function properly. This setup is essential for sending notifications, triggering automations, and connecting with other smart home systems. So, if you don't have the hub yet, that's a necessary addition to your smart home toolkit. In conclusion, the Aqara Zigbee door and window sensor offers a reliable and practical solution for enhancing your home security and automation. Its compatibility with major smart home platforms, combined with its easy installation and versatile applications, makes it an appealing choice for many households. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.